Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. How to plug a tire. We found the leak. I went ahead and circled it with my chalk. You want to bore it out. I got my plug right here and my, I don't know what you call this tool. You bore out the hole. A lot of people don't like doing these, but it'll get you out of an emergency into a tire place where they can patch it. Pull it out. Put the plug in. It's gonna take some force. Then after you get it down in there real good, you twist it and you pull it out. And your tire has no leak. But if you can take it off and take it to a tire shop, I would much rather take it to a tire shop. They can take it off the rim and patch it. They'll patch it from the inside. Mixed up some Dawn dish detergent and some water to make some bubbles. See if it's leaking. If I can get, that's not. Right here's the plug. We're good. No leaks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.